Good morning, sir. My name is Ava Srivastava from class 6, section Zensport. I am standing here to tell you something about solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So, firstly, I will thank to my science teacher, Mr. Krishan sir, as well as the coordinator, ma'am, Mrs. Sonia ma'am, who gave me this golden opportunity to do this wonderful project. So, in your mind, you are thinking what is solar eclipse and what is lunar eclipse. So, when the moon passes in the front of the sun, it creates solar eclipse, and the earth experiences a shadow, and the location where the shadow falls can able to see the eclipse, and these places give the impression that the sun has set. Secondly, you are also thinking what is lunar eclipse. So a lunar eclipse is an astronomical event when the moon is into the between the sun and the earth, and the moon has darkened. Thank you. Explained by Stuti.
Yadav from class 6B. I study class 6B. Today I am standing here to represent my topic, and my topic is Umbra and Penumbra. So first I will thank you, Mr. Subject teacher's name, Mr. Kisan sir. I will be present to first I will get starts. Umbra. It is the dark. It is the dark present is the then the umbra. No light is the appraised. This region of the shadow, it is found at the center of the shadow. Penumbra, it is a particularly shaded region which is the lessest darker than umbra. Thank
Good
you.
morning, myself Swastik Agarwal. I study in class 6B. Today I am standing over to present my project, wonderful project, rectilinear propagation of light. The light travels in straight and reflection. When the torch or fall on the mirror to
And
reflect
here is the reflection.
the reflection.
When we flash it on the mirror, the reflection comes on the cardboard. Secondly,
Rectilinear propagation of light. Light travel in a straight line.
it shows the light travels in the straight line.
Transparent, translucent, and opaque.
So here we have shown that the transparent objects do not absorb any light. Secondly, translucent objects
Light
absorb
absorb.
some light, and
Opaque.
opaque object it absorbs all the light in it, and it is also known as black body.
Class 8th. Today my topic is that multiple reflection and multiple reflections. That means reflection of light back and forth between reflecting surface. Multiple reflection. If two mirror placed side by side, if two mirror are side by side placed, the images are formed again and again. Thank you, sir.
Sows in winter season in the month of October to November and harvested in March to April. Example mustard. Example this is mustard, wheat, gram, coriander. Thank you, sir.
Sir and ma'am, my name is Shreya Singh and my group member name is Nitish Chaudhary. We are the student of class 8. Today our school organized Edu Carnival 2nd, and for this event we prepare a model of volume, surface and area. So volume, every three-dimensional object occupies some space. This space is measured in terms of its volume.
Area is space taken by a flat surface. It means 2D figure. Cuboid. Cuboid has three-dimensional figures.
And this is cube. Cube is a solid three-dimensional shape that has 6 square faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Volume of cube is A cube, and total surface area of cube 6 is square, and lateral surface area of cube is 4 is square.
Good morning, sir. Hello, we are the student of class 8th. We are standing here to represent our project quadrilateral in the ASU Carnival 2nd. The quadrilateral word is derived by the Greek word quadri, which means four, and the lateral means we represent that the shapes of quadrilateral. This is the rectangle.
Rectangle, all sides, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal, and diagonals are equal, and all angles are right angles.
Morning, sir. I am Tanvi Vishwakarma from class 8 section B Jamsford. Today we are standing over here to present and explain our science project called periscope. So, an periscope is an optical instrument. It consists a cylindrical tube bent twice at the right angle. Two plane mirrors are fixed at each bend at the angle of 45 degree. So when the light enters from the upper end, it falls on the first mirror and is reflected. Then it falls on the second mirror and is again reflected. Finally, the reflected rays fall on our eye, and we see the object at the other end. So the next explanation by Riyas.
A periscope is used in submarine tanks and bunkers to see outside and hidden safe place and widely used in World War II as observation driver for the driver, gunner and commanders. Myself Piyu Dubey, I study in class 5th B. I have got a project work in English for educational program second. My topic about the young Abdul Kalam. So now start the story. Kalam spent his childhood in Rameshwaram in southern India. It is an island city which is famous for many temples. Kalam lived her on Moscow. Second, young Kalam would go to on Moscow daily, and every day will return from the Moscow. Kalam loitered near the temple.
Equation is a mathematical statement. If all or things are equal, sign that is a confusion of one or each side and equal. तो हमारे 5 और ये प्लस हमारे जब हमारे तो बैलेंस होंगे तो हमारे 12 आएंगे, और जब तक हमारे बैलेंस नहीं होंगे तो नॉट इक्वल. मैथमेटिकल लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आर नॉट इक्वल इज इक्वालिटीज.
Hello sir, welcome to the Edu Carnival. My name is Kuldeep Kumar. I am class 6A. I am reading class 6 is a variable value of the variables x बराबर 1 5 into 1 plus 8. सर नो हो गया. नॉट सर x बराबर 3 बराबर 13. सर नो हो गया.
Hello, welcome in Edu Carnival. Hello, myself Anish Shrivastava from class 5th. Today I am standing here to explain my math project, and my math project is clock.
Good morning, sir. My name is Amriti Singh. I am going to explain my math project. This is a clock. What time will be here? That will shown here. If we have 2:25, there will be shown 2:25.
Morning, sir. Hello, my name is Avni Singh. I study in class 5th week. Today I am to explain my math project, and my topic is math time. First, 1 hour 16 minute. Second, 1 minute 16 second. Third, 1 hour 367.
मेरा बच्चा एशियन पब्लिक लोहंदी स्कूल में पढ़ता है. बच्चे ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है. सारे बच्चे ने इतने मेहनत की है.
Good morning, sir. Myself Rudra Dubey. I study in class 4th A. Today I am discuss about a different shape, its perimeter and area. This is a rectangle. This is a square. This is a cone. This is a cylinder. This is a circle.
Welcome to Audi Carnival. Today we are present here our math project whose topic is measurement. Mathematics is not about number, equation, computation or algorithm. It is about understanding. Explain liter. Liter to measure capacity of various containers we use such as liter.
लीटर को सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करना है तो 300 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सेंटीमीटर 300 में आ जाएगा, और सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में चेंज करेंगे तो मैम 300 का सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करेंगे तो 1000 से करेंगे मैम, इसलिए 3000 आ जाएगा.
Welcome in Edu Carnival. My name is Aradhya Maurya. I will explain about perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, true bracket length plus width. A rectangle is a type of a quadrilateral. Opposite sides are equal.
Perimeter आपसे like triangle, rectangle or square. A triangle with polygon 3 sides having and 3 vertical. The sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree.
Myself Kavya Singh. Today I present the कविता नन्ना. छोटा सा एक बीज उगा, नन्ना पौधा लहराता है, लंबी लंबी टहनी इसकी पत्तों से बच जाता है, उड़द ना हरा भरा या बड़ा वृक्ष बन जाता है, पंछी इस पर गड़े पर सब पर छाया करता है, मीठे मीठे चलते रहे किस कान को पल भर में हराना, मीठे मीठे फल का इसके पेट से भी भरता है. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. माय सेल्फ राशि बिन. हम लोग विलोम शब्द प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं. मैं ऊपर, मैं नीचे हूँ, मैं दिन हूँ, मैं रात हूँ, मैं बड़ी हूँ, मैं छोटी हूँ, मैं काला हूँ, मैं सुबह हूँ, मैं गर्मी हूँ, मैं ठंडी हूँ. myself सृष्टि अग्रवाल. मोटे भाग रहते दौड़ रहे थे, बिल्ली ने देख लिया, बिल्ली बोली मैं भी आऊँ. ना मौसी ना काट डालोगी, हमें मार डालोगी, हम मर जाएंगे. ना मौसी
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। मेरा बच्चा यूकेजी में पढ़ता है यहाँ एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल में। उसका भी आज प्रोग्राम है तो हम लोग देखने आए हैं उसको। तो काफी अच्छा लग रहा है देख के बच्चों का मतलब प्रोत्साहन। तो थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। मैंने अपने बच्चे को बहुत तैयारी करवाई उसके लिए। काफी अच्छा बोलता है तो सुन के लगता है कि हाँ बच्चे अब सीख रहे हैं बोल रहे हैं तो अच्छा लगता है सर। मेरा बच्चा तो घर में भी बोलता है। स्कूल में तो बोलता ही है, घर में भी बोलता है।
Morning, good morning, sir. Welcome to Edu Carnival. My name is Harjit Pandey. Study in class first. My project is about represent any number in different ways. How we can represent.
Morning, sir. Welcome to Edu Carnival. My name is Pari Singh. Studying class first. Our topic is represent any number in different ways. For example, 10. I can represent 10 number as multiply. I can represent 10 number as addition and subtraction. I can represent 10 number as ones and tens. I can present. Morning, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Yashasvi Singh. Study in class first. My project is represent 7 number in different ways. Is हम किसी भी संख्या को कई तरीकों से प्रदर्शित कर सकते हैं। जैसे 7 को हम एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन में शो कर सकते हैं। 7 को हम नंबर लाइन पर भी शो कर सकते हैं। 7 को हम अपने फिंगर्स पर भी काउंट कर सकते हैं। 7 को हम डाइस पर भी काउंट कर सकते हैं। 7 को हम पिक्चर्स पर भी काउंट कर सकते हैं।
Sir, my name is welcome to Edo Carnival second. My name is Shaurya Singh from we are studying class second. Today we are stand here our math project and the topic is days of the week. Now they explain our math topic.
Morning, my name is Rizal Misra. Today's my topic is Monday. I am Monday and I am first day. Monday is Moon Day.
Good morning, sir. Hello, my name is Krishna Bharti from class 7th. They are my good team members, Astha Singh, Ritesh and Piyush. We are studying in class 7th and today we are present here to represent our math project. Our project is based on the topic perimeter and area. And perimeter, the outer boundary of any shape is known as...
Myself Astha Singh and they are my team members. This is circle and circle is simply a round shape which has no line segments and no corner. The circumference of circle is 2 pi r and to calculate the area of circle we use pi r square.
Model of algebraic expression. So the definition of algebraic expression, the combination of constant or variable connected by some or all four fundamental operation, addition, subtraction and multiplication. This is called the algebraic expression.
Constant and variable. Constant, a symbol having fixed numerical value is called constant and variable. A symbol having not fixed numerical value is called variable.
ये एशियन पब्लिक स्कूल लोहदी हनुमान मंदिर के बगल में मिर्जापुर। यहाँ हमारा बेटा है मानस द्विवेदी और बच्चे बहुत अच्छे पढ़ते हैं। बहुत अच्छा आज का प्रोग्राम है। बहुत अच्छा लगा हमको देख करके।
लोग द नाउन के बिफोर बोलते हैं और ए कॉन्टोनेंस के पहले कॉन्टोनेंस में बोलते हैं।
Good morning, sir. Hello, myself Sivan Sadov from class 5th A.
And my name is Priyanshu Bharti from class 5th A. Today we are here to discuss about solar eclipse and lunar eclipse.
Lunar eclipse. When the sun, the moon and the earth are in a straight line, the earth is between the sun and the moon. Then the shadow of a earth is a fall on the moon and completely cover it. We cannot see the moon in the sky. This is called lunar eclipse.
Now, so when the sun, the earth and the moon are in a straight line, the moon is between the sun and the earth. Then the shadow of the moon fall on some part of the earth. The people of this area cannot see the sun. This phenomena is called solar eclipse.
From class 5th. Today I am standing here to present my project and my project is atmosphere. Atmosphere is made of air, layer of gases surrounding on a planet. Atmosphere is composed 28% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases such as methane, carbon dioxide, and etc.
Just started and my project is the Earth atmosphere. An atmosphere is made of layer surrounding a planet. Atmosphere is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases such as oregon, carbide, methane, etc.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Nancy Sankar. I study in class 5th. Today I am here to present my project, and my project name is the Earth atmosphere. Atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases such as carbon dioxide, organ, methane.
Sourcing from class 7th, and this is our team. Myself, Vaibhav Verma. And my name is Abhyuday Shrivastava. Project is an electric bell. An electric bell is a complete circuit that triggers a sound when the circuit is completed.
And parts of an electric bell: a switch, battery, wire, motor, hammer, and a gong. Working of an electric bell and invented by Alexander Graham Bell.
In order to what is an electric bell, we need to understand what is an electromagnet. Electromagnet is a type of magnet which is formed with the help of electric current. This is the process of electric bell.
Good afternoon, myself Tanya Kumari and my group members are present here.
Myself, Pragati Patel.
Myself, Vijay Lakshmi.
Myself, Rupesh Yadav.
My name is Anubhav Padre.
We are the students of class 7th and we prepare the model of electrical circuit. The path along which electric current is flows is called an electrical circuit.
Battery. There you can see there are many components of circuit. They are battery, bulb, wire, switch.
Connecting wire. Connecting wire are made up of metal with high melting point like copper and aluminium.
I want to tell you switch in electric circuit. A switch has important role because it makes circuit closed and open. Thank you.
Used to show that the current is flowing in the circuits.
Electric circuit. Two types of the electric circuit: open circuit and closed circuit.
Myself Palak Padya.
And myself Priyasu.
And myself Rishabh Padre.
We are studying class 7th Jamsod. Today we are present here to represent my project, which are based on India
Like
Gate.
it is located on New Delhi. It is famous for Amar Jawan Jyoti.
Yuvraj Singh Yadav. Good on myself, Yuvraj Singh Yadav from class 7th. Today we are standing over to present our project on the topic of life in the desert. Firstly, I introduce to our team members. Hello sir, myself from class 7th.
Hello sir, myself Vipada from class 7th B. Hello sir, my name is Khushi Singh from class 7th B.
Myself Rishabh Singh from class 7th.
That's the point. Hot deserts are found in tropical region. It is a barren area of landscape where native precipitation occurs. It's called a desert. The Sahara was the largest desert on the globe, where Sahara desert covers 8.54 million square kilometer. Since world's population live in desert. Desert is covered with sand and gravels. The desert is a special type of vegetation like cactus, date palms, and jade. Oases are found in some part of the desert.
Place in the desert where there is a water and plants grow is called oasis.
नमस्कार टीवी 100 में आपका स्वागत है और मैं वीरेंद्र गुप्ता। इस वक्त समूचे जनपद मिर्जापुर में नहीं पूरे पूर्वांचल में एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल का डंका निश्चित रूप से बज रहा है, क्योंकि स्कूल प्रशासक का भी ये दावा रहता है कि जब भी परिणाम आते हैं, परीक्षा फल आता है, तो उसमें एसएन पब्लिक के छात्र निश्चित रूप से बहुत ही बेहतरीन अपना प्रतिभा का भी प्रदर्शन करते हैं और सर्वाधिक बेहतर नंबर ला के समूचे जनपद को बताते भी हैं। आज हमारे साथ जनपद मिर्जापुर के अति प्रतिष्ठित एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल लोहंदी में हम मौजूद हैं और हमारे साथ वो बहुत ही विशेषज्ञ टीम खड़ी है, जिनके दम पर आज यहाँ के छात्र सर्वाधिक बेहतर प्रतिभा का प्रदर्शन करते हुए नजर आए हैं। खास तौर पे तमाम ऐसे परिजन जो छात्र के जो माता पिता थे, वो भी अपने छात्र को देख के बहुत हतप्रद रहे, क्योंकि उनकी जो प्रतिभा, उनके बोलने की जो शैली थी, जो उनका प्रदर्शन था, यहाँ तक कहा जा रहा है कि कभी भूलने की जो स्थिति नहीं बनेगी। जो छात्र के द्वारा आज जो प्रदर्शित किया गया, जो प्रदर्शन किया गया, वो अब स्मरणीय रहेगा। हमारे साथ वो विशेषज्ञ की टीम भी है जो बहुत अति प्रशिक्षित शिक्षक हैं और आपका बहुत स्वागत है। कैसे ये तैयारी मैडम आपने किया था ये?
Actually, our teachers are teaching well in the classes, and all the students learning well in the classes. They are after learning, they made the models and explain by models with the help of models and with the support of teachers. Everything done by our director sir and director ma'am, Mr. Rajesh Singh sir and Mrs. Sandhya Singh ma'am. Both are giving a best facilities regards to the all students and teachers also.
ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है बच्चों को इस तरीके से शिक्षा देने का, जो अविस्मरणीय रहता है, लोग कहते हैं कि कभी भूलते नहीं, जब बच्चे किसी के सामने बताते हैं, तो क्या ये आपको लगता है कि ये पद्धति बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है?
बिल्कुल, it is a very nice way to explain everything in the front of anyone, parents, teachers, and anyone. If they learning well, then they can explain very well, easily, and it is very much for every student.
आपने बच्चों को क्या तैयारी कराई थी जो आज बच्चों ने प्रदर्शित किया?
बच्चों को हमने सर हिंदी सब्जेक्ट पे बताया था। उससे ग्रामर, रस, छंद, अलंकार, समास, संज्ञा, सर्वनाम आदि की तैयारी हमने कराया था और बच्चे उसका एग्जाम्पल भी अच्छे से तैयार किए थे। सबने अच्छा बताया है।
बहुत छोटे बच्चे और बड़े क्लास के भी बच्चों का जब अद्भुत क्षमता जब यहाँ लोगों ने देखा, तो दांते तले उंगली भी लोगों ने दबाया, कहा कि वाकई में जो प्रशिक्षण यहाँ छात्रों को दिया जाता है, निश्चित रूप से आने वाले समय में जो उनकी क्षमता होगी, उसमें और जबरदस्त निखार भी होगा। क्योंकि कहा यहाँ तक जाता है कि बच्चों के चहुमुखी विकास के लिए सर्वाधिक अति प्रतिष्ठित शिक्षण संस्थान एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल शायद इन्हीं कुछ गतिविधियों के चलते आज पूरे पूर्वांचल में पटाखा फहरा रहा है।
Temperature can fall below freezing at night. AI Aziza rewarded from the temperature of 57.7 degrees Celsius in 1922. In the normal temperature is 50 degrees Celsius.
1200 species of plant in the desert. Animal like camel, fox, jackal, and snake, etc. are found in the desert. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Edu Carnival. I am Amrita Ratan. I am Achal Madhe.
I am Jyoti Singh.
I am Shreyans Misra.
I am Shran Shapadhyay. Today I am discuss about electronic voting machine. Electronic voting is the standard mean of conducting electronic using the EVM first in India. The system was developed tested by the Electronic Corporation India and Bharat tested by the Electronic Corporation 1992. Thank you.
ये नई शिक्षा पद्धति के अनुसार हम सब लोगों ने मिलकर एक निर्णय किया कि जो शिक्षा नीति है उसको पुस्तकीय ज्ञान और व्यावहारिक ज्ञान दोनों आवश्यकता है इसकी। और पुस्तकीय ज्ञान तो स्कूलों में मिलता है, लेकिन व्यावहारिक ज्ञान की कमी रहती है, जिसकी वजह से व्यावहारिक ज्ञान जरूरी है। तो उसे हम करके देखकर उसके बाद सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे तो ज़्यादा दिन तक वह टिकाऊ होती है और हर संभव हम प्रयास कर सकते हैं अपने आप को समझने की और उसे लोगों तक हम पहुंचा सकते हैं अपनी शिक्षा को।
जी, बहुत फैंटास्टिक ये पैटर्न है। अगर आप किसी चीज का प्रयोगात्मक तरीके से जब उसको अडॉप्ट करते हैं तो वो वाकई में अविस्मरणीय रहता है, कभी नहीं भूलता।
हमारे जो टीचर्स थे, हमारे हेड मैम हेड सर ने हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी दी और हम लोगों ने वेस्ट किया, वो बात की बात है। लेकिन मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को थैंक्स करना चाहती हूँ, जिन पेरेंट्स ने हमें ये सपोर्ट दिया। बच्चों ने मेहनत किया, हम लोगों ने किया, लेकिन मेरे पेरेंट्स ने इतना सपोर्ट किया, इसलिए मैं सबसे पहले अपने पेरेंट्स को थैंक्स करना चाहूँगी कि जिन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट किया।
बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद। आप कुछ कहें?
हाँ सर, हेड मैम का और कोऑर्डिनेटर मैम सोनिया मैम का तहे दिल से स्वागत कर रहे हैं कि मैम ने हम लोगों को ये मौका दिया ये टीम तैयार करने के लिए और बच्चों ने काफ़ी कड़ी मेहनत की और इसके पीछे गार्जियन का भी काफ़ी हाथ था सर, कि उन्होंने इतनी मेहनत से और टीचर की मेहनत से आज हम लोग यहाँ तक
यहाँ का
पहुँचे।
बहुत अच्छा है, बच्चों ने बड़ा अच्छा मेहनत किया है। अपनी स्किल को बहुत अच्छे से उभारा है, जिससे जो देख के हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। एनकरेज करूँगा इसके लिए कि वो और मेहनत करें और आगे बढ़ें और अच्छा आइडिया हम लोग के सामने प्रस्तुत कर सकें। थैंक यू।
नमस्ते, मैं कक्षा 3 की छात्रा निष्ठा तिवारी की मदर। आज यहाँ पे एजुकेशनल कार्निवल का स्कूल की तरफ से आयोजन किया गया है, जिसमें मेरे भी बच्चे और सभी बच्चों ने इतना अच्छा भाग लिया है कि जिससे मुझे बहुत ही प्रसन्नता हो रही है यहाँ आकर सबको देखकर। और स्कूल का ये बहुत ही सराहनीय योगदान रहा है। यहाँ पे मुझे स्कूल की भी ये प्रशंसा करनी पड़ेगी कि यहाँ की मैनेजमेंट ने बहुत अच्छा योगदान किया हुआ है और बच्चे भी काफ़ी उत्साहित हैं।
Sir, good afternoon, ma'am and sir. Welcome to Edu Carnival. My name is Lakshman Dubey. I am studying class 6B. My topic is preposition. A preposition is a word correct. A noun is a specific connection is an example. The car on the road. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, sir, ma'am, and everyone. Welcome in Edu Carnival. My name is Bhargavi Sarkar. I am studying class 6B. I am standing here to present my topic. My topic is adverb. Adverb is a word that describe verb and adjective. Another adverb example quickly, slowly, and yesterday, last week, etc.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Edu Carnival. My name is Suman Prajapati, studying class third. My project is about homophones. Homo means same and phones means sound. But now Shlok is going to tell you about
Good morning, good afternoon, sir. My name is Shobhi Now I am going to explain what is homophones. Homophones are the words that have same sound and same pronunciation but different meaning and different spelling. Now Madhav will explain it.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर माय नेम इज माधव पाल होमोफोन्स इन हिंदी ऐसे शब्द जो सुनने में एक जैसे लगते हैं लेकिन उनके अर्थ भिन्न भिन्न होते हैं उन्हें समश्रुति विन्यार्थक शब्द कहते हैं नाउ अनन्या विल एक्सप्लेन होमोफोन्स विद एग्जांपल
Hello, good morning, sir. My name is Ananya Tiwari from class 3rd B. Now I'm going to explain homophone with examples. HEIR, this here means which is present on our head. HER, this here means rabbit. RING, this ring means we wear in finger. RING, this ring means phone ring. WAY, this way means a direction. WEIGH, this way means to measure mass. ROSE, this rose means a kind of flowers. ROWS, this rose means.
Good morning, everyone. My name is myself, Nishtha of class 3rd. Today I am standing here to present a topic on homophones. Do you know what is homophones? Homo means same, phone means sound. It means homophones are words that have sound similar but different meanings and spellings. For example, male, aunt, son, peace. Peace means tukda. Peace means shanti.
Welcome to Edu Carnival. Myself Muskan Yadav. I study in class 4th. Our topic is about water cycle. The continuous flow of water in nature is called water cycle.
Sir, my name is Avni Goswami from class 4. Today is my topic evaporation. The process by which water change into water vapor is called evaporation. Now Gungun telling about translation.
Rafin Singh, I am studying class 4B. Plants absorb water through the roots and the release. Plants absorb water through the release water through forests in their leaves. This process is called transpiration. Good morning, sir. Myself, Nidhi Morak from class 4th. My topic is the conversation. The process which water vapor in the air cool down to from droplets is conversation. वह प्रक्रिया जिसके द्वारा हवा में class 4th. My topic is precipitation. The falling of the foreign transport and rain or snowfall. Thank you. Now Shubham is telling about.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shubham Kumar. I am studying class 4th here. Water dwelling planets are the comet and all the planets are the called on the ground for an water cycle is also called hydrological cycle. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Shanvi Singh and my group member name is Apurva Sharma, Anika Kanchakar, Prajwal Om, Lakshya Dubey, Siddharth Singh, Avikalp Dubey, Ishau, Ansh Kumar Maurya. We are the student of class 4. Today our school has organized an Edu Carnival and for this event we prepare a model of one of the most important English grammar topic is preposition. Now my group member by one the definition of preposition, kinds of preposition and with their purpose. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good morning. My name is Apurva Sharma. I am going to define the preposition. The word which refers relation of noun or a pronoun is called preposition. Pre means pehle, position means sthiti. These are examples of preposition. At, outside, behind, in, inside, above, on, toward, below, up, through, upon, over, etc. Now my group member Anika is going to define the preposition kinds of prepositions. Hello sir, my name is Anika Kanskar. Now I am going to define the kind of preposition. There are mainly three kinds of preposition. First preposition of time, second preposition of place, third preposition of movement. Now my group member Prajwal Om is going to define this kind of preposition.
My name is Prajwal. Now I am going to define preposition of time. Preposition of time is preposition used to indicate when a particular action takes place. The most common preposition of time are at, in, and on. Now my group member Laksh Dubey is going to define preposition of place.
Good morning. My name is Laksh Dubey. Now I am going to define preposition of place. The preposition of place is going to define preposition of place is going to define in relation to another preposition of place. Preposition of place. The most common preposition of place are above, upon, behind, etc. Now my group member is Siddharth Singh is going to explain position of movement.
My name is Siddharth Singh. Now I am going to define preposition of movement. Preposition of movement show movement from one place to another place. We usually use them with verbs of motion. The most common preposition of movement is towards, through, into, across, up, down, etc. For example, off, under, on. Now my group member Abhikalp Dubey is going to explain preposition again in an easy way.
My name is Abhikalp Dubey. Now I am going to define a preposition in an easy way. Preposition is a word which refers relation of noun or pronoun. Preposition are of three kinds: preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of movement. Preposition of time. In preposition of time, we know that it indicates particular action of anything. For example, under, on, behind, between, in front of. Preposition of movement. In preposition of movement, it so an other place. For example, under, on, between, in front. Preposition of place. In preposition of place, express movement towards something. For example, real example, and wall between the uns. Uns behind the is. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Edu Carnival. My name is Isika Sadhva. I study in class first. My project is about use of this and that. This is used to one object when thing is near. That is used to one object when thing is far. Now my group member is Aradhya. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Edu Carnival. My name is Shanvira. Studying class first. My project is about use of this and that. This is used for one object when thing is near. That is use of this.
Sir, hello, myself Rutudav Singh from class 7 section Gemsworth. Today I am standing here to represent my project, and my project topic is parts of speech. There are 8 types of parts of speech. Noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal and things. For example, Ram runs fast. Ram word are used here are noun. Pronoun are the word that are used to place of a noun. For example, he is a run fast. He word is used as noun. The pronoun verb are the word that denoting an action performed by the noun or for example, Rams runs fast. Run word are used.
Adjective. An adjective is a word that describe a noun or pronoun. Example, he is fat. Fat is an adjective. For fifth, adverb. An adverb is a word that describe a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Example, he was killed badly. That is an adverb.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Atul Kumar, and we are telling about tense. Tense is a form of the verb allowed you to express time. Tense is a three types: present, past, future, and present, past, future types of both. Present indefinite, continuous, perfect continuous, and present indefinite tense. first, subject plus verb first form plus object. His example, he is play cricket, and present in continuous tense, subject plus helping verb is MR, and mean verb fourth form plus ing. If example, he is playing cricket.
One plus object. And future tense. There are subject plus will plus first form of verb plus object. Example, he will play cricket. Second, progressive form. Subject plus will be plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Playing cricket. Progressive perfect form. Subject plus will be have plus verb first form of verb plus ing plus object.
Afternoon, my name is Falak Sir from class first B and my group member name is Fire Sabi Panchi Nancy Advik Suraj Pas Siyam Bharti Ansu Asta Mrityunjay Devas Anirudh and Taha. Today our school has and my project is in indoor game and outdoor game. Next group member name is Payal. Thank you and nice day. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Good evening. My name is Paz from class first. Now I am going to example about indoor games and are players side a door are
अच्छा लग रहा है सर। अच्छे से बहुत मेहनत की है। इतने दिन से हमको ये लग रहा था कि चलो मेहनत कर रहे हैं, अच्छा रिजल्ट आए, लेकिन अच्छा रिजल्ट है। बच्चे भी कुछ नया सीखे, बस और क्या। मेरा 2 बेटा है सर, एक 7th में, एक 4th में है। ये इतने दिन से हमको तो गुस्सा भी आता था, लेकिन आज देख रहे हैं सही लग रहा है। टीचर्स का भी होता है, पेरेंट्स का भी होता है, दोनों का। बिना सहयोग के बच्चे कर ही नहीं पाएंगे। खुद से कैसे करेंगे? जब तक टीचर्स नहीं सहयोग करेंगे, पेरेंट्स नहीं करेंगे, तब तक बच्चे कुछ आगे कर ही नहीं सकते हैं। बहुत जरूरी है करना इसका। जो बच्चे अगर कुछ सुनाते हैं तो वो उनके दिमाग में वो चीज सेट हो जाता है, और ऐसे खुद से सिर्फ कर लेते हैं और वो चीज नहीं सेट रहता है, दिमाग निकल जाता है। लेकिन किसी के सामने प्रैक्टिकली करना और सिर्फ वो करना, दोनों में बहुत फर्क होता है।
Good afternoon to everyone present here. As in public school in the event of the GK exhibition, we are present here with our GK project and our topic is India's 7 wonders.
We respect to the parents and the teachers who support the participate to prepare our work.
To see, to hear, to touch, to taste, to feel and to laugh and to love. Let the first wonders Gomteshwar. Gomteshwar is a statue dedicated to God Bahubali of Jain religion located in Shravan Belgola in Karnataka. गोमटेश्वर एक धार्मिक मूर्ति है जो गॉड बाहुबली से संबंधित है, जैन धर्म की, जो कर्नाटका के श्रावण बेलगोला में स्थित है।
Let's know about the second wonder, Hampi Temple. Second wonder. Let's know about the second wonder, Hampi Temple. It is located one of the river Tungabhadra in Karnataka. Hampi is one of the most famous historical place in India.
Khajuraho. Let's know about fourth wonder. Khajuraho. The Khajuraho group of movement are a group of Hindu Jain temple forest or temple in चित्रकूट डिस्ट्रिक्ट मध्य प्रदेश इंडिया। एक्सप्लेन इट। खजुराहो भारत के मध्य प्रदेश में स्थित एक प्रमुख शहर है जो अपने प्राचीन मध्यकाल मंदिर के लिए स्थित है।
Know about the 6 wonders. Nalanda located near Patna is one of the ancient education on center in India. This is one of the oldest universities in the world. नालंदा स्थित है पटना में प्राचीन केंद्र पर। यह सबसे पुराने में से एक है विश्वविद्यालय दुनिया में। Sir, good morning. Welcome to Edu Carnival Fest 2. My name is Acha from class 2nd and my group member name is Samya Maurya, Dev Harsh Maurya and Sathar Tiwari. My topic is national symbol of India.
My name is Priyanka Prajapati from class 3rd B. My project is famous sport person. My famous sport person is Saina Mirza. Star last tennis player, first India woman to win a Wonder Woman doubles.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Mars Dwivedi. We are student of class 8th, and today we are here to represent our social science project on the topic of economic activity. Economic activities are those activities by which peoples gain economy or money. it can be classified into three sectors. First is primary, second secondary, and third tertiary. And the primary sector are those sector in primary sector has a direct interference with the environment for the production of products. Instance of the primary sector are agriculture, farming, mining, dairy, fishing, among others. Uh, Further will be explained by my friend Utkarsh Patel.
बच्चे कर रहे हैं इससे बच्चों को ना एक प्रोत्साहन मिला है बोलने का, जैसे थोड़ा भड़क भी खुल रहा है, सबके सामने बोल रहे हैं।
और बच्चों से काफ़ी मेहनत करवाई गई है, अच्छा लग रहा है देख के। ऐसे ही बच्चे कुछ आगे चल के सीखेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा एक्सीलेंट हम तो देना चाहेंगे कि नई नई चीज़ें से नए नए भाई विचार आएंगे तो आगे चल के लोग अच्छा कुछ कर पाएंगे जीवन में अपना। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ ये भी जरूरी चीज़ें हैं। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Utkarsh Patel. I am here to explain secondary sector. In secondary sector, the essential raw material converted into useful product which are fit are fine for us. In secondary sector, it is help to provide grid and job services and etc. In India, the secondary sector hold about 20% of domestic products. Thank you. And next, tertiary sector explained by Anya.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Anagiri. I have to explain tertiary sector. The tertiary sector primarily covers service sector and therefore focuses on service exchanges and production. Examples of the tertiary sectors are communication, transportation, etc. The significance of tertiary sectors is on rapid due to the technological development in various basic essential services. These basic services, etc. The significant benefit of the tertiary sector is that it has a lower barrier to entry.
Sir, my name is Rafiaz. I am from class 8. Today I am explaining about classification of crop. So I'll tell you about Kharif crop. Kharif crops are sown at the beginning of monsoon season. It needs plenty of water and hot climate for the growth. Sowing it is generally sown from June to July, and harvesting season is from October to September. For example, rice, maize, jawar, bajra, tur, moong, urad, etc. In India, these crops are grown in Assam, West Bengal, coastal areas of Odisha, etc.
Sir, myself Swati Singh. I am explaining Rabi crop. Rabi crop are sown in after monsoon season and beginning of winter season. It required cold climate for their growth and warm climate for their generation of seed. Crop are sown in month of uh, December, and harvesting this crop peas, barley, grams and extra. Punjab, Himalaya state that cultivated Rabi crop.
My name is Anushka Dubey from class 6 section Jam. So today I am standing and my topic is Sanchi Stoop. This is the Sanchi Stoop. Sanchi Stoop are located in Madhya Pradesh. It is very famous stoop. The height of the great stoop is around 54 feet. It is for belonging to Buddhism. It is near the Bhopal. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Hi Priyadashini, I am studying class is public service. Public service is in rural areas. Social service, health service, educational service, banking service, educational service. There is important for everyone. There is no age limit to take education. And explain next, my friend. Health service. Health is important for us. A healthy person is happy. We should avoid packet food. We should play outdoor game. Health is our biggest wealth. Thank you. Let's explain my friend Pius.
My name is Piyush Upadhyay and I study in class 6 and my topic is Gram Panchayat is a service that handles the local problems of the people.
Good afternoon, sir. Hello, my name is Meenakshi Bharti. I study in class 8 section James Ward. Today I am standing over here to represent my project which are based on Big Bang. Most scientists think that the whole universe began about 15 billion years ago in a huge explosion called Big Bang. Perhaps time also began at this instant. Before that, there was nothing, no time and no space. From nothing, earth in its pack of brilliant light appeared. It was almost.
My name is Anshika Singh. I read in 8th episode. I'm standing over here representing my project. And welcome to Edinburgh, organized by my great school, SN Public School. And story will be start the rescue of the brave in the 12 wild boar football team go to Forest Hill and we experience the they trap cried crave outside the crave all the wall and
Next, there was no food. Well, we only survive for the determination. In this rescue operation, the students were rescued by police system, and in some rocky areas, the sportsmen will and Saman Guan was.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Myself Advi Singh. Today, I present my poem. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Myself, Fatma Khan. Today we are read some more. Let's start. LOT, lot, WINV. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Anand Maurya. PINP. KIN. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Vinamrita Ratan from class nursery. Today, I present poem. Red like. What do you say? I say, stop, right away. Green light, yellow light. What do you say? I say, wait, right away. Green light. What do you say? I say, go, right away. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Professor Shastra. Today, we are present body parts name. Clap your hand, stomp your feet, turn around and touch your toes. Pull your ears and flap your arms. Now stretch up high or fall down. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Pranjalam. Today we are present animals. Horse, 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 and goat, COAT, goat. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aradhya Soni. This is tiger, 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 and this is lion. This is tiger, TIGER, tiger. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dakshmara. Today we are present numbers name. NE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVE7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name today we are present numbers name ELEVEN, TWELVE, EEN 13, FOURTEEN 14, FIFTEEN. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Kirti Singh. Today we are present fruits MANGO mango, and this is a banana BANANA banana. Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am. This is pear pear, and this is grapes grapes. Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Naya Khan. This is watermelon, WATR water, MALON melon, watermelon. This is apple, APPLE apple. Thank you. Morning, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Azma Asai, present my poem. Sun is yellow, sunflower yellow, yellow banana, yellow mango. Hello, hello, color yellow. Good afternoon, ma'am. Today my thought and my poem. Hot, 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 whether I like it or not. Hot, 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 the sun is hot, the sun is hot, whether I like it or not. Hot, 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 the winds blow hot, the winds blow hot, whether I like it or not. Thank you.
My name is Akhilesh Bin. I am student class of 8th A. My topic is mesh topology is a network is a local area of network topology.
I am studying in class 8th A. Star topology is a network topology in which all devices are connected. It's called star topology.
My name is Arpit Singh. I read in class 6th A. This is the generation of language, generation in computer terminology. Terminology is a change in technology. Computer is being used. This is a first generation of computer. I will say please define.
Of computer, the first generation of computer, the period of the first generation of computer used 1946 1945. The first generation of computer used vacuum tube as the basic memory and circuit CPU central phonics units. The second generation explaining to
मैं ओम प्रकाश, मेरे दो बच्चे इस कॉलेज पढ़ते हैं एसएन कॉलेज में। एक बच्चा 4th क्लास में, एक बच्चा एलकेजी में। बच्चों का जो लगन है टीचरों के साथ बड़ा अच्छा है। टीचरों ने बहुत कंप्रोमाइज़ करके बच्चों को बताया और सिखाया, काफ़ी मेहनत किया और बच्चों ने ग्रोथ भी किया है। अब प्रेजेंट भी कर रहे हैं बच्चे हमारे सामने और भविष्य में कामना भी करते हैं कि ऐसे टीचर मेहनत करते रहेंगे तो बच्चे आगे जाएंगे और काफ़ी मेहनत करके आगे बढ़ जाएंगे।
Sir, my name is Ayush Yadav. I study in class 6. My topic is second generation computer. A transistor computer, now often called a second generation computer, is a computer which uses transistor.
I read in class 6th. Today my topic is third generation of computer. The computer of third generation integrates circuit in a place of transistor, a single resource and capacitors along with associated circuit.
Good morning, sir. My name is Isama, class 6A. My topic is fourth generation. Fourth generation of computer was between 1971 and 1980. The computer used the VSI technology or the very large scale internet VSI circuit technology.
Singh. I study in class 6A. Today my topic is fifth generation of computer. The period of fifth generation is 1980 till date. In the fifth generation, ultra large scale technology resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. Now explain this, Nirbhay. Sir, my name is Nirbhay Singh. I am study class 6th. Today my topic is a part of computer. At a highest level, our computer are made up of a processor, CPU, memory, and input-output device. Thank you. My name is Ansu Yadav. I am studying class 4B. My topic is RAM, random access memory. Store the information temporary breakdown that is concentration over little bit and new data. It is known as violet memory.
Hello sir, Monday I read in class 4 section B. I external memory and my topic is ROM. ROM is a stand from read only memory.
I'm studying class 4th. I'm explaining a flash drive. A flash drive is a popular known as a pen drive. It is a plug and play device used for transferring data one computer to another. It is also known universal serial bus USB drive. It is very small, lightweight, removable and rewritable. A flash drive can store up to 1 TB of data. Flash drive features. Flash drive, a USB flash drive can store important files and data for backup.
It is a new, of course, disk format from object DVD. It, of course, more than 5 times the storage capacity of traditional DVD and can store up to 25 GB on a dual single slide and 50 GB on a dual slide. This disk has the same dimension as that of a DVD. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am studying class 4th. My topic is hard disk. It is the main secondary storage device for computer. It is seated inside the CPU cabinet and contain all the software and data made up of multiple disks called platter. Hard disks come in various capacities: 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB, and 5 TB, and so on. There are 5 pieces of hard disk: hard backup, editing, data sharing, gaming storage.
Noon, sir. My name is Kavya Singh. I study in class 4th. My topic is computer memory. A computer also uses both short and long term memory to store data or information. The stored data can be read whenever needed. Thank you, sir.
Hello, ma'am and sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome in Educalni project. My name is Shesha. I study in class 6B. I will about the project definition of mouse. The mouse is a small movable device that lets we control a range of the things on a computer. Thank you.
Good morning, welcome everyone in EduCorner project. My name is Asang Upadhyay and I will explain about project. The component of a computer system
Good
that
afternoon, sir. Hello, welcome in Educard level. Myself Preeti Gautam and my member name are Tanay Shukla, Shashank Upadhyay, Shresha, Shivasvin, Sneha Yadav. We are the student of class 5th B. Today our school has organized an Educard level, and for this event we prepared the model of monitor.
Afternoon, myself शिवाय चौरसिया। आज हम लोग हिंदी कविता सुना रहे हैं। गोल 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 दादाजी का चश्मा गोल 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 दादाजी का चश्मा गोल 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 दादी जी की बिंदी गोल 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 मम्मी जी की रोटी गोल 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 पापा जी के पैसे गोल 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 सारी दुनिया गोल मटोल। थैंक यू।
मध्याह्न महोदय, मेरा नाम अमन कुमार है, मैं कक्षा 8 का विद्यार्थी हूँ। हमारा प्रोजेक्ट हिंदी है।
साहित्य को पढ़ने से या सुनने से आनंद भाव की उत्पत्ति होती है, तो उसे हम रस कहते हैं। रस को साहित्य की आत्मा भी कहा जाता है।
पहला होता है श्रृंगार रस, इसका स्थायी भाव होता है रति प्रेम। दूसरा होता है हास्य रस, इसका अस्थायी भाव हंसी। तीसरा आता है करुण रस, इसका स्थायी भाव दया शोक। चौथा आता है रौद्र रस, इसका मतलब होता है क्रोध, इसका स्थायी भाव क्रोध। पांचवा वीर रस, इसका स्थायी भाव उत्साह। छठवां भयानक रस, इसका स्थायी भाव भय। सातवां विभत्स रस, इसका स्थायी भाव घृणा। आठवां अद्भुत रस, इसका स्थायी भाव आश्चर्य। नौवां शांत रस, इसका स्थायी भाव होता है निर्वेद।
ध्यान महोदय, मेरा नाम निहारिका पांडे, यह मेरी सहपाठी निहारिका दुबे है। हम दोनों कक्षा 8 में पढ़ते हैं। हम दोनों ने मिलकर हिंदी का प्रोजेक्ट अलंकार बनाया है। अलंकार दो शब्दों से मिलकर बना है। अलम धनकार, अलम का अर्थ है आभूषण और कार का अर्थ है करने वाला। जिस प्रकार स्त्री का सुंदर मुख आभूषणों के बिना शोभित नहीं होता, उसी प्रकार अलंकार के बिना कविता शोभित नहीं होती। अलंकार दो प्रकार के होते हैं, शब्दालंकार और अर्थालंकार। शब्दालंकार का अर्थ है जहाँ शब्द के कारण चमत्कार हो, उसे हम शब्दालंकार कहते हैं। और अर्थालंकार का अर्थ है जहाँ अर्थ के कारण चमत्कार हो, उसे हम अर्थालंकार कहते हैं।
शब्दालंकार के 3 भेद होते हैं: अनुप्रास अलंकार, श्लेष अलंकार और यमक अलंकार।
और अर्थ है उपमा अलंकार, रूपक अलंकार, अतिशयोक्ति अलंकार, मानवीकरण अलंकार और उत्प्रेक्षा अलंकार। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone, myself Divyanshi Pathak. Today we are present math project addition. 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 3 plus 3 equal to 6.
एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल में मतलब कार्यक्रम हो रहा है। मेरे बच्चे पढ़ते हैं नर्सरी क्लास में और क्लास 4th बी में। आज हम लोग आए हैं यहाँ पे। कार्यक्रम सब बहुत अच्छा हुआ, मतलब जिस भी बच्चे के पास गए सब बच्चे अच्छे से बोले, अच्छे से सब चीज किए। बहुत अच्छा लगा कि यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ, बहुत अच्छा लगा। हम लोग भी प्रैक्टिस किए हैं, मैम लोग भी प्रैक्टिस किए हैं बहुत अच्छे से। मैम लोग भी बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कराई हैं और हम लोग भी घर पे प्रैक्टिस कराए हैं।
एसएन पब्लिक लोहंदी कला के स्कूल में जो आज कार्यक्रम किया गया है, उसमें मेरी बिटिया जो है कि क्लास फर्स्ट बी में पढ़ती है। उसको अध्यापिका लोग जो हैं, मैम लोग दिस और दैट के बारे में जानकारी मतलब दिलाई है और बहुत ही अच्छे से मैम लोग तैयारी कराई थी, हम लोग ने भी कराया। बहुत अच्छा इसका परफॉर्मेंस था, बहुत अच्छे से उसने एक्सप्लेन किया, बताया सभी के सामने। थैंक यू।
मेरी सिस्टर एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ती है और वो इस प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट किया और बहुत सारी लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है और सबने अपनी क्रिएटिविटी दिखाई है और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है इस सब चीज़ों से। थैंक यू।
गुड आफ्टरनून। यहाँ पे हमारे बच्चे पढ़ते हैं क्लास 3rd में श्लोक मिश्रा और क्लास 2nd में स्वास्तिक मिश्रा। यहाँ पे हमारे बच्चे बहुत कुछ सीखे हैं और काफ़ी अच्छे बच्चे यहाँ पर मैनेज भी कर लेते हैं और बहुत जल्द ही यहाँ पे सीख लेते हैं। पढ़ाई में इनका मन भी लगता है। यहाँ के टीचर्स भी बहुत अच्छे से बच्चों पर ध्यान देते हैं। जूनियर्स और अपर क्लास में भी हर जगह से पूरा शिक्षण उनको मिल रहा है। थैंक यू।
स्कूल में हमारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगा कि नया प्रोजेक्ट जो बनाया है, सब अच्छा शिक्षा मिल रही है। स्कूल अच्छी है, हम लोग आते हैं स्कूल में। मिर्जापुर के ही रहने वाले हैं, लोहंदी पे ही है, पास में स्कूल है। 3 बच्चे हमारे स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं।
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nani Rao from class 8, section Chelmsford. I'm standing over here to tell us about my project. I'm going to explain about one. One stands for Wide Area Network. It connects 2 or more computers located in distant places. They are connected with satellite with each other. It can range up to 1 lakh kilometers. They run up to 10 to 20 megabytes per second. You can see globe over here. It represents how they are connected by globally. An internet is a good source of one.
My name is Chitri Singh from class 8B. Today we are here to represent our computer project. So our topic is LAN, local area network. In local area network, peripheral devices are connected within a small area such as rooms, building, and office or campus. It is home wireless network and its range 1000 meter to 1 kilometer. Now we explain MAN.
My name is Namita Arthan from class 8B. My topic is MAN, Metro Planet Area Network. Man is a local area network spread in across a city. It is called a Metro Planet Area. The example of MAN, local bank nets, branches, local bank in a city. Thank you.
Thank
you, sir. Good morning. My name is Nethi Katra. My topic is Sunday. I am Sunday and I am last day of the big Sunday in Sunday.
Here we are studying class 3 and therefore we need two hands to represent hour and minute repeatedly. This helps us in getting accurate time.
Short hand in the clock is called the hour hand and the long hand is called the minute. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, here is 3 needle of big needle is indicate to hour, metal is indicate to minute on the last small indicate to second.
Sir, good afternoon. My name is Samir Singh from class 2nd. Today our school has organized an Indo carnival and for this event we prepare a model of good habits. Now my group member one by one explain about good habits.
Good afternoon. My name is Arpit Sonkar. Now I am going to example about good habit. We need to follow good habit. We have to stay clean and healthy. Now my group member Aswani is going to some example for good habit. Thank you.
Namaste, sir. Good morning. My name is Vishwali Seth. Like brush your teeth daily. Wake up early in the morning. Exercise daily. Good afternoon. My name is Tamanna Ansula, studying class 3rd B. My father's name is Mr. Vijay Kumar Kaushal and my mother's name is Mrs. Rekha Devi. I live in Mirzapur and my school name is SN Public School. My topic is Sun and Earth. Sun. So good afternoon. My name is Rati Singh. I read in class 3rd. Today I have standing here to present my project and my project about rotation and revolution. Have you ever wondered why we have day and night? This is because the earth is always moving or spinning like a top on its axis. The movement of the earth is on its axis is called revolution. So 1 day 24 hours to complete one revolution. Good afternoon, sir. I am Vihan Singh from class 3rd. Today we are standing here to present my project. In my project, I want to explain about constellation, comet, and asteroids, which is the part of solar system. My topic is a group of stars that create a pattern in the sky. There are 88 constellations are present. Good afternoon, sir. Hello, my name is Adit Kumar Bind. I reading class 3rd A. Today I am here to present my project. Through this, I want to explain you something about solar system. मेरा नाम आनवी है. हम हम सभी कक्षा 2 के विद्यार्थी आपको संज्ञा और सर्वनाम के बारे में बताना चाहते हैं. संज्ञा के स्थान पर प्रयोग किए जाने वाले शब्दों को सर्वनाम कहते हैं, जैसे मैं, हम, तुम, वह आदि. शुभ प्रभात. मेरा नाम है गरिमा सिंह. मैं कक्षा 3 की छात्रा एवं छात्राएं. हम यहाँ पर आपको संस्कृत भिन्नार्थक शब्दों के बारे में बताने के लिए प्रस्तुत हैं. सबसे पहले तो हम अपने अध्यापिका श्रीमती प्रतिभा श्रीवास्तव संयोजक को धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं, जिन्होंने हमें यह सुनहरा अवसर दिया है यह कार्य करने में. दूसरा, हम अपने माता पिता को धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं. एवं महोदया, मेरा नाम अभियान सिंह है. ये सब मेरे साथी हैं. हम कक्षा 5 के विद्यार्थी हैं. अभिनव चौरसिया, प्रसाद सिंह, लकी माथुर, सचिन बिन. हम सब मिलकर हिंदी का प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है. हमारे एंड माई ग्रुप मेंबर नेम आर नित्या वर्मा, अनमोल बेन, आयुषी वर्मा, प्रिंस दुबे, अभिनव मौर्य, उत्सव पांडे, Dhananjay Patel and Krishna Gupta. We are the student of class 4th. Today our school has organized an education carnival, and for this event we prepare the model of Visheshar. My group member explain one by one विशेषण के प्रकार एवं उनके उदाहरण. I am going to explain विशेषण की परिभाषा. सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताने वाले शब्दों को विशेषण कहते हैं. Afternoon, sir. Myself Nikita Singh, I studying class 7B. We are studying to represent my project, and my project is Sanskrit project, and my topic is संयुक्त परिवार, that's meaning joint family. ये एक स्टोरी है जिसमें एक उसके दोस्त हैं. इसका एक का नाम है प्रिया, एक का नाम है भव्या, एक का नाम है शुभम, एक का नाम है प्रतीक. प्रिया बोलती है अपने फ्रेंड से कि मैं अपने घर में बहुत अकेला फील करती हूँ और बहुत ही अकेले फील करती हूँ. तो भव्या बोलती है ऐसा क्यों है. तो प्रिया बोलती है कि मेरे घर पे मुझसे मैं अकेले रहती हूँ. मेरे पापा चले जाते हैं जॉब पे और भाई चला जाता है खेलने, मॉम चली जाती है किचन में. तो इस गुड आफ्टरनून. वी आर स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 8. दिस इज स्टोरी ऑफ सूर्यदेव एंड पवन देव. एक बार पवन देव को अहंकार आ गया था. वो अपने आप को सबसे सर्वश्रेष्ठ मानते थे. वह खुद की बहुत ही प्रशंसा करते थे. वह कहते थे कि लोग हमारी वजह से ही जीवित रहते हैं. ये जो हम कर सकते हैं वो कोई और नहीं कर सकता है.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Anurag Pandey. I studying here to class 6B. My project subject name is Sanskrit, and my project lesson is अपादान कारक पंचमी विभक्ति. अपादान कारक का रूप 2. वस्तु को अपादान कारक कहते हैं. जैसे बालिका गृहात बहिगच्छमि, बालिका घर से बाहर जा रही है. पर्वतम
पर्वतम नदी भवति, पर्वत से नदी बह रही है।